Watch me act you fast. Down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibe is so nice.
So of course, spray the seat down. You hear me? No coronavirus around here. Steering. Yeah. Also use the wipes. Safety first, so I just sprayed and wiped down the interior and exterior of the rental vehicle that will be driven to Pennsylvania today till tomorrow. Yeah, safety first, I don't know. We're ready to hit the road right now. Philly, here I come. It's just crazy how I'm driving up just to take a plane down. As always, whisper a word of prayer to the Lord. Father, watch over us as we travel to Philadelphia. I pray. Amen. Yep. On our way. But it's raining. God damn. And traffic. But we're just taking our time. Cruising. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh, gosh. I can't deny the damn. That's why you gotta pray before you hit the streets. I hope everyone is alright in this. It looks awful. Oh my god. Yeah, you look okay. I just keep them in my prayer. Yeah, that's crazy. Yep. Rainy night. We have reached Georgia. It's gonna be a long trip. Yo, been driving approximately 4 hours. Just made our first stop. Buy some gas, pick up some snack, among other stuff. Of course, mask on to go outside. Currently in Jacksonville getting gas and nobody in the gas station is wearing their mask. I'm like, it's crazy. Florida is something else. Jacksonville. Duval. Wendy's drive-thru in Jacksonville. The line is super long. I'm hungry. Jeez. Carolina! Woo! Yeah, making another stop. We're at the border of North and South Carolina. Restroom and gas stop. It's crazy. Can't wait to get there. Not tired, but kind of tired. It's complicated. So I'm making my final stop before my destination. I believe I'm at Wawa in Baltimore, Maryland. Almost everyone is wearing masks. Like, I would say 90% of the persons wearing masks. That's a good sign in comparison to what I've seen driving from Florida to where I'm at right now. This is like the most masks I've seen worn at a gas station. I'm beat right now, like literally beat. Tired as.
Destination is on your right. Philadelphia International Airport.
God damn, no one is here. Shit. Philly International is a ghost town. Yikes. My flight isn't until what? 1, and I'm here what? 10? Yikes. So I'm just gonna chill outside, but I'm gonna see when I get in if everyone is practicing safety, masks and all that stuff. I'm wearing mine. So Phase one of my trip, road trip, if I call it that, has just been completed. Drove from Fort Lauderdale to directly to the Philadelphia International Airport. So what happened is my trip partner had to come to Philly. We're going to be around kids and the elderly, and due to the corona pandemic, you know, it wouldn't be safe for her to fly. So we decided to take on the road, as we Jamaicans would call it, take on the road. Yeah, and I drove all the way. We got here safe, so it was a great trip, thank God. We've seen a lot of stuff on the road while we were coming. Didn't get to catch everything because my trip partner was sleeping. And when she wasn't sleeping, she was upset that Wendy's got her order wrong. So a lot wasn't captured. But overall, it was a pretty good trip. Kind of boring because it was just me and my music. I've done this trip, like, not to Philly, but from Orlando to New York, like 3 times back and forth. This is the only time I'm flying back. So I have to take the necessary precaution right now flying down. However, I want to see what it is like right now flying in the pandemic. As I drove up, stopped at a few gas stations. The first one was in Jacksonville. To be honest, I saw 10 to 15 persons, and only one person in Jacksonville at the gas station was wearing masks. I don't remember if it was the Carolinas we stopped at another gas station. I don't remember where, and I can't remember anyone wearing masks. But Wawa in Baltimore, Maryland, it was packed, and I'm telling you, probably 95% of everyone was wearing masks. It's because it's closer to New York, maybe, and New York is one of the hot spots. But no, I'm at the airport, it's basically empty, and the few persons that have passed me, they're wearing masks. I want to see what happens when I get inside to check in and on the airplane. Yeah, I'll be wearing my mask, of course. I have my wipes, sanitizer, wiping down the seats in the plane. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that shit because I don't want to catch that stuff, man. And when I head home, I'll be in isolation, on the self-quarantine for probably 12 to 14 days before I go back to work. So, yep. Let's see what happened in the airport.
So, down, this gonna go down, down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink